Uncle Arthur, as I knew him, that lived at the Ilott, my dad's uncle, he was a surface foreman at Measham Pit, and I think that was how they got that house. I mean, it was quite a big house. The rooms were I can remember the rooms were quite big. I can remember there being always being a nice fire there in the living room, I suppose it would be. They were a lovely family. This is just childhood recollections, really.
That house was for Canal, where George worked for the railway. It sounds a bit funny, but nobody wanted it, you see, because it got no electric, no gas. Pump all your water. In the winter you just have to make sure you've got stuff for a fire, so you could boil a kettle to go outside to prime the pump to get water for drinking. It didn't bother me at all.
That's me on that boat there, look, at the front. This is outside the Ilott. See how wide it's getting there? Well, the Ilott's just up here. That's more or less, it really widens out there. I'm trying to tell you, I mean, if you look at the canal now, down Snareston, you've only got room for 2 boats to pass. Look here. See how wide it was. I know my friend from Newton who comes, he said, you can remember when we used to go down skimming across it was that far. That's all you done on a bit of fishing. People used to sit leaning on the Ilott wall like this, fishing in the canal. Oh, our roach, pike, bream, there are all sorts, gudgeons.
And gardens round the front, trees with apples and that in the back, damsons and things like that. We used to keep ducks. We had 3 geese there once for Christmas. When kids used to come, they used to be excited, you know. I've said times, people would say, oh, fancy living down there. That's where they used to unload them, isn't it? Waiting for the, unload, yeah.
The loading chute's up there, that's where the boats will be, up here. I imagine this is looking up this way, isn't it?
Oh, that brings back memories.